Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video I'm here with an unboxing I'm very happy about. We are here with a pair of Jordan 1 Mochas right here, a slightly used pair but a very good condition pair, basically dead stock, and we're going to be here discussing it and why it is the best sneaker investment this year, the shoe of the winter, all that stuff right there. We'll kind of discuss it. I might even put the shoe of the year in the title, and you can debate whatever in the comments. I'd love to hear what your guys' opinion is on what the best shoe is this year. But aside from this Jordan 1 right here, we're just gonna get into it. So I hope you guys will enjoy. If you want more unboxing content like this, more sneaker investment videos, you know I got you all. I got a lot of content coming in the next few days, and I'm sorry this video is out a little late, but it is out, so you know, at least we're making the videos still. But yeah, you know, subscribe and like down below. Let's try to like 200 likes again. That's just kind of again how I know if you guys want more content like this, if we hit that like goal. And yeah, you know, all that is again down there in the description. My Discord, if you want to go check that out, go ahead. It's down there by my Instagram also. If you aren't tuned in, give me a follow there, then you're missing out. But you know, you ain't missing out too much. I haven't posted in a while there in IG, but I will post eventually. It's everything gotta say. Instagram, Discord, if you want to go check it out, it's down below. But yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy. And let's get into unboxing the Jordan 1 Mocha and my opinion on this. So first things first, really first thing about the Jordan 1 Mocha, again, just comes in this like this regular Jordan box, nothing really too crazy. I just happened to get a size 8.5 because I purchased these off of Grailed, and I got a really good deal actually. I saw that somebody was selling this size 8.5 pair that had only been worn twice, and if you look at it really, it looks like it has only been worn twice. You know, maybe they could have laced it a little bit differently when they shipped it off, but it just looks like somebody was wearing this pair around, and I have no problem with that because, you know, somebody that's actually wearing their shoes is a good thing. So seeing that they'd only worn it twice, I got this pair for like $345, which is a really good deal. And really the first things you can kind of notice about it again is that really nice mocha colorway, just kind of how the brown stands out compared to the kind of white leather and I guess the black leather on the shoe. It really does stand out, and that's kind of the thing that I like the most about it. And this isn't leather either, this brown. This is kind of more of a suede. Again, you can kind of look at it up close and kind of see the details. Again, the details on the shoe also go crazy. I'm glad that I got like a good pair because you can see there's no real like bad like markings or anything. There's a little dirt and some things, I think like right here on the inside of the shoe. I don't even know if there is that's like even that visible, but yeah, the shoes overall, for buying it twice and getting it for like $340, I have no problem with that because honestly it's probably about what it's worth. If you get pairs that are used right now, they're probably worth around like $320, $340, you know. So I'm not again complaining about how much I pay whatsoever. So seeing that market again right now on most Mochas is kind of around like that, like I think it's like $360, like $420 range. I'm definitely seeing these ones go up. But let's kind of get again back into the details on these. So kind of seeing these didn't come with any extra laces right here. I believe that some Mochas also come with a pair of white laces, but I could be wrong on that because these ones again are just coming with the typical black laces, which actually kind of fit in my opinion. I think this one's fit a little bit more. And another detail I noticed about the shoe is kind of the Nike Air symbol right here that is attached, or at least kind of like, yeah, I guess it's kind of just like it's just attached on right there. It's kind of like a brown. It looks black, but it's actually kind of like more like of a brown, kind of more like this brown right here, again the mocha brown. And more details I just kind of want to point out again, I just love how kind of the brown and black and white all contrast together right here on the shoe. Like, don't you think this portion right here just makes this shoe kind of just like a dope colorway? And again, seeing a Jordan 1 that still had like 200,000 pairs in stock, and you can look this one up, this one's all over the internet actually. I'm pretty sure this one will be easier to find, but this one had like 180k pairs, or like 100k pairs in the US at least. So I mean, there was, or like 280k globally. I'm just really trying to think about how much there was, but there was a lot of pairs of these, and they're still selling for a lot. They'll probably start to rise around Christmas time. This is a very short hold in my opinion. And yeah, you know, that just is what makes a shoe again. Seeing it that a lot of people are talking about it, people are calling it shoe of the winter. That's just what kind of makes this one a hold for me. Some more details again about this one, we kind of just go point out right there, the back portion of the shoe, I guess by the heel, just, you know, typical Jordan 1 stuff. But you can kind of again peep that suede. That is extremely clean and well done. Just look at the stitching and everything, like very well done. And overall I bet these are very comfortable, but again, not my size, so I wouldn't really know. An 8.5 is not a size that I could fit in. And also I want to point this out, the soles of the sneaker right there, they're looking extremely clean. That's what I'm saying. Again, you can go to Grailed and get used pairs for good sneaker investments, because again, I'm really just gonna wait till like April, May, probably not even that long. Like it might be a little longer, but I probably am just gonna hold these again until I make a little bit more on them, because again, I did pay $345 right now. But seeing kind of all the details of these and how they look, again, my pair's not really that creased and everything, only worn twice. We'll kind of get into how long you should hold them and how much I think these will go up to, because they are a dope shoe. They're extremely well done. The stitching on both pairs is incredible. Again, I just kind of want to point out more details on it. Like you see, there is no flaws on the shoes. So again, shout out Nike, and I'm glad I got a good used pair right here. But aside from that, we're discussing how long you should hold this one, maybe what sizes to hold in particular, how you can get them where, and yeah, how much I think this one's going to go up to. So Jordan 1 Mocha, is this the best shoe of the winter to hold and invest in? Probably. So let's go. Okay, so I'm not really going to get into, or not like going to hold and review both pairs. So I'm just going to set this one in the box right here. But aside from that right there, let's kind of get into this as a sneaker investment. So seeing again, size 8.5 right now, but $345 is probably about what this is worth for a pair that's been worn twice. So I'm not really, again, stressing on price at all. But if you're really just paying, again, in that range of pairs right now, between like $340 and $400, it's not really that big of a deal. If you even are paying the high right now, I wouldn't consider it a big deal, because these are going to rise up in price. I know a lot of people are probably asking for this for Christmas, and I know that's not going to like affect resale like 100% just because people want something for Christmas, but it will affect demand a little bit. So these will probably rise a little bit around Christmas time. But again, aside from that, Jordan 1s again are kind of on that rise. A lot of people are very confident in Jordan 1s. Jordan 1s have never kind of really like fallen off like that, in my opinion, where they've been to the portion where resale hasn't been like great, or people have been ignoring them. Like, people always know what kind of the Jordan 1 is. So with this colorway, and again, with having this one easily compared to the Travis Scott 1, you can see how many people compare this one to the Travis Scott 1 silhouette, and kind of, I guess, calling it a poor man's Travis Scott 1. But again, this isn't really a sneaker that's necessarily cheap, in my opinion, with it going for around $400 right now. So people calling it a poor man's Travis Scott 1 is like, it's not like, that cheap. But yeah, aside from that and those details, with it kind of again being around that $340 or $400 range, I'm not really going to pop up anything on the screen right there, but I will pop up something on the screen for this. I think that the sneaker honestly could probably go up to $500, $600 by probably, I would say, like July next year, July, August. I think this thing could definitely be at $500, $600 for dead stock or lightly used pairs like this one. Again, I'm not going to use this one. I'm not going to like sell it or anything unless I get like a good or better offer for it. So this pair right now, I'm just going to keep holding on to, because I see Mocha's just continuing to skyrocket and continuing to rise up. Because I mean, again, with people comparing it to a shoe like the Travis Scott Jordan 1 that's going for thousands of dollars, I mean, then there's at least some sort of reason why this one would continue to go up. And also the fact that it's probably one of the nicest and the most hyped Jordan 1 that's dropped in a good minute. So yeah, with the nice quality suede and all the things I guess could attract people to the shoe to want it, that is why the shoe is a good hold. So get your pairs, as tempting as it probably is to buy pairs to hold, to buy pairs to hold, to us really buy pairs to wear. I'm sure it's very tempting to get some to wear, or get a pair to wear, for the collection, which I can see why. Again, very kind of just like that clean, super clean brown suede. Yeah, so for me at least, I'm glad this pair is really well done, and I think that the Jordan 1 Mocha is definitely the best sneaker investment for the winter. You could get like a pair of the Union Air Jordan 4 off New York's too. Those are a great sneaker investment, and a lot of shoes have continued to go up or will go up soon, and this is one of them. So yeah, I think by May, June, around that time next year, like 6 to 8 months after, I think these won't be a long hold, maybe like 10 months, and I think they'll be at $500, $600. So a lot of money in the future on these, and I definitely will be selling these to someone for more in the future as a used size 8.5 pair. So that's everything I got to say. Jordan 1 Mocha, sneaker investment of the winter. Roll that outro. Anyways, if you guys want more unboxing content like this, because this is the sneaker that I'm holding, you've seen I've gotten a lot of investments lately. A lot of stuff that I thought I would sell, but we're not going to sell. We're obviously not selling these. The plan was never to sell these, but the Peace Minus 1 Air Force 1s, those I was planning to sell, but I'm actually going to hold them because it's probably a great investment if you now think about it and how unique that shoe is. So again, aside from that, if you want more unboxing content like this one, more sneaker investment videos, subscribe and like down below. I was trying to like 200 likes on this video. Again, that's just kind of the typical goal we go for, and if we hit that goal, then that would just kind of let me know that these are the videos you're wanting to see on the channel. This is what's popping for y'all. This is like, hey, T, keep doing investments. If you want more content like this, then that like and that comment down below, that just kind of lets me know. But yeah, again, my Instagram's down there in the description by my Discord. You can just open, expand like the YouTube description. You can go check out my IGs and socials and everything just down there in the description. Really can't miss it. It's pretty visible right there. And yeah, that's everything I got to say. So thank you all for watching, and this is definitely the one you want to hold this winter if you have any money to hold any shoes. So go get those. But that's all I got to say. I'm T. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.